Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing and checking out this smartwatch by AEAC. The box is very minimalist as you can see, and I got it in the pink color. Anyway, let's open it up. Right on top we get a user manual and a customer support card. On the left is a charging cable. Then right in the middle we've got the smartwatch itself. Here's everything in detail. The customer support card. And now here's the manual. It has every language imaginable. Now for the charger. It's a USB cable and on the other end, it has a magnetic connector that latches onto the smartwatch to charge it. Now here's the smartwatch itself. It feels nice and looks pretty, kind of like a rose gold iPhone. It has two buttons on the side and the band feels high quality. Peeling off the screen protector and booting it up for the first time, I could immediately tell this is an AMOLED screen. The blacks are completely black and the text looks crisp. Now I'm going to show you how to charge the watch. Just plug the USB cable into a power brick, flip the watch over, and the magnets snap everything into place. You can literally do it blindfolded. Now here I am connecting the watch to my phone using the Very Fit app. Honestly, all you need to do is follow the prompts on the app and everything is clearly explained. You don't have to make an account, but I recommend you do. Now, here's a quick demo of the watch interface and all the settings. Feel free to pause the video if something catches your eye. There's a lot you can do from just the watch. You can even change the faces. I'm very impressed. Now, here's the app. You can see everything in detail, get more watch faces, and track so many things, even your sleep. Everything is explained clearly as well. I am very impressed. I highly recommend this watch if you're new to the smartwatch scene and just want to try out everything a smartwatch can do. Inexpensively, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.